Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Just Order Meals by Chef JM. Grabe, Chef JM. You continually amaze us for coming up with different variety of dishes. Well, that only means you're a versatile chef. So, good job to you. Kudos to you. So, ito po yung mga bagong babies niya for Just Order Meals. Let me introduce them to you guys. So, in the middle, meron tayo ditong Hickory pork ribs. So, it's a fall off the bone ribs, slowly smoked with our hickory sauce. Meron din siyang mga side dishes like this, corn tempura, green beans, and mga baby potatoes. So, I wanna taste it now. Sure enough, this is so... bango! Oh yeah! Fall off the bone. Now let me get some baby potatoes here. Yeah. Isa pa sa mga favorite ko sa mga pinopost ni Sir JM is creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon. If you know this, guys, so you have basil leaves, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic. Nagka-interest ako dito, guys, yung crispy salmon skin. Oh! How do I explain it? How do I tell you, guys? Napaka-aromatic nung pinaka-cream niya. And then you have a mix of different flavors from the, sun-dried tomato, olives, and then the salmon itself, so fresh. It's so fresh. Oh, thanks so much, Sir JM. You know what? I can do this all day. Come on, huh? Look at that. Come on, huh? Now for the healthy buff, meron din tayo ditong Kani salad available for orders. So in it, meron tayong mixed green lettuce with carrots, some cucumbers. We have some ripe diced mangoes, nori flakes, Japanese mayo, and of course, very generous crab sticks. Oh man, ooh, look at that. Guys, I think this is very suitable yung para sa mga health buff. Has, less calorie. I'm not saying it's 0 calories. Siyempre, meron tayong mayonnaise dito. You have some crab sticks. But at the end of the day, comparing it with, a really heavy meal, this is lighter. Yeah, of course, this is lighter. Meron siyang savory taste. Meron siyang fruity taste. Meron din siyang earthy taste because of the greens. Oh wow. Thank you so much, Chef JM. You're really great, man. Dagdagan pa natin ng konting salmon. So, the last dish I wanna show you guys, nakasama sa menu ni Just Order Meals, is of course this roast beef right here. So, let me get this one. Ooh. Really thick brown sauce. It's so garlicky. Napaka-generous nung amoy ng garlic. Oh, wow. Just to let you know, guys, this dish right here was cooked 4 hours. Very slow cook yung roast beef natin dito. It has very, very thick gravy. Oh, wow. Naman na, Chef JM. When you order these dishes, hindi po kayo mapapahiya. Very competitive, very comparable siya doon sa mga well-known catering services. Chef JM has been kept on improving his mastery, his skills. Available po yung mga a la carte party trays for orders. For deliveries, as of now, San Fernando area po tayo. If you're outside San Fernando area naman, you can probably do a transaction with him. Parang you're just gonna calculate kung magkano yung gagastusin dun sa delivery fee. For a medium to large events and you're gonna order this as a catering, make sure to message po si Sir JM 2 to 3 days, no, para po pag he's gonna come up with all of these dishes, yung mga ingredients natin and raw materials are fresh, guaranteed freshness, and sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain. So that one's a mushroom. Some beef. Whoa. So again, Chef JM, I can't thank you enough for making me experience another great dish, great meals coming from you guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, kung natakam ko kayo, thank you so much because this video served its purpose. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, make sure to tag your friends, tag your mom or your dad kung gusto nyo tingnan yung mga pagkain ni Just Order Meal. So there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay safe guys, bye bye.